Every day, Carglass repairs and replaces damaged car windows for its customers. They do this with 250 technicians who work from one of the company's 56 service centers or drive one of their 60 buses for on-site repairs. Carglass delivers excellent service, but they also want to keep costs under control. This trade-off poses some challenges. Customers want to make appointments quickly and easily. Service technicians want a bigger say in their work hours. They also need to gain specialist knowledge. Planners want insight and a clear overview of the work schedule. The management team wants to go paperless and lower carbon emissions. ORTEC developed a fully integrated digital planning process for Carglass. With ORTEC, the head planner can schedule the right number of technicians with the right skills in the right locations. The system gives the planner maximum control over the deployment of technicians, while taking their wishes, skills, and contract hours into account, as well as labor law. When a customer wants to schedule an appointment, either online or via the call center, ORTEC determines all possible time slots in just 1.5 seconds. With the touch of a button, the customer can select their preferred time slot, which is immediately added to the service schedule. The service planner can view the schedule in ORTEC and adjust the available capacity if a technician gets sick. Because the schedule is constantly optimized, technicians can be deployed more efficiently, maximizing time for new appointments. Service technicians work with a mobile device that tells them where to go for their next appointment, but they can also use it to review special job details and process all admin correctly, including invoicing. Technicians can also view their schedule and file leave requests. Timesheets are processed automatically for payroll. All these features are fully integrated into Carglass's business processes, giving them major advantages: a positive customer experience, increased employee satisfaction, more efficient technician scheduling, a fast, easy, and paperless process, significantly lower carbon emissions. ORTEC, data-driven decisions, better results.